Hey Future, you're reading a letter written in 2015. We're students from Terrassa, Barcelona in Spain. This is a project which we're doing in our English class in Pedro Navajo School. This is for a contest to go to Oxford, and we have such a motivation to practice our English in this amazing place. It's a good opportunity to improve our level of the language, which is so important nowadays because of the influence in communication and many other aspects. Our objective is to make you understand and compare your lives with the ones of current teenagers and society. In the couple, there are different objects that represent us. The list begins with a global political map. We have chosen it because frontiers change along the years. Also, we want to explain you the situation we're living, giving you some content and important news. Do newspapers still exist, or is all online and paper exams? We tackle a list of diseases and injustice. We hope they will have disappeared in your days. The calendar you can find has important events on it, which explains our culture. We have left you some money because our world moves around it, and we don't know if there will be euros anymore. You will also find a list of famous and important people nowadays because they represent our society. Also, we attack train and plane tickets. All the people move around the world. Another important thing is mobile phone and computer. In our days, technology, communication, and internet are essential in life. We include a book, a film, and a city because all these things represent our culture. We leave you glasses. These days, people wear contact lenses or they surgery the eyes. They have become a fashion sign and not something useful. To show you how we live in our country, we will give you some sand and finally a pair of jeans, which are in everybody's wardrobe. Have things changed since our days? Has our information been useful? We hope so, and we think it could be great if you did the same project for the people in the future. Apart from all these things, we want to tell you to enjoy every day with your friends and family and meet new people. Talk to them and as they can show you incredible things. Travel around the world and see what's outside your city. But the most important thing is to live your life in your own way.